Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup haul, so if you would like to see some of the things I picked up, please keep watching. So I actually just did a tutorial on what I'm about to show you, so make sure you check out this video. The first few things I'm going to be showing you is from the Kylie summer collection. This is called the Under the Sea collection. The first thing that I have right here is the eyeshadow palette, and the packaging is so nice. These shades are so gorgeous. They scream summer to me, like I can't even deal. Next, I got one of the Shimmer eye glazes. This is in the shade Aqua Mama. This is the packaging, and I like that there's like a little thing right there just to keep it moist, I guess. But this is so pretty. Like, look at that. Stunning. So freaking pretty. You can see right there. Oh, it's like the perfect like seafoam color with like a little bit of gold. Next, I have two lipsticks from her collection. These are both mattes. I'm wearing Beach Bum right now, and it's like such a pretty nude, and they're so comfortable. So again, this is the packaging. It just has little bubbles on them. This is the lipstick container. This is such a pretty nude shade. It's like a nude pink shade. I love it. I'm obsessed. And then I have Paradise Please, which I did mention this in my testing out this collection video. One of these showed up and the container was cracked. There was nothing wrong with the lipstick, but I contacted customer service and they sent out a replacement within like a week, and I thought that was amazing because I heard that she doesn't replace her products. I don't know, but they did, and that was super fast. So just wanted to mention that again. And this is like a pretty like pink hot coral shade. And then at some point in time, she had a buy one get one free lip kit. So I have these two right here. This first one is called Valentine, and it's super hot pink. So here is the matte liquid lip and then the matching lip liner. And then I have 20, which I actually don't remember this. Oh, okay, that's kind of deceiving. I thought it was going to be like this dark purple shade, but it's really not. This is more like a wearable, darker nude mauve shade. So this is 20. I really like that. It's like a dark nude mauve shade. Like, these are gorgeous. And then I really wanted to get like one thing from each of the brow line that she has. So like the brow gel, the brow powder, the brow pomade, like all that. But every time I go, it's like the shades that I want are always sold out. So I just got one of them. This is the Kybrow Brow Powder Duo, and I got the shade Blonde. I started using brow powders again, which I used to do all the time, and I loved how my brows turned out, and then for some reason I just stopped. So I wanted to try this out. So this is the packaging. And then these are the two shades. Normally when I get like a blonde shade or whatever, like I like this because it's like two different tones of blonde. So I can use the lighter shade for like the inner part of my brow to the middle, and then I can use the darker shade for like the tail and kind of do like the ombre thing, because that's like my favorite way to do my brows. So I'm super excited for this. Next, I have this Dior Skin Nude Air Loose Powder. This is what it looks like. I very rarely buy high-end expensive makeup, but I really wanted to try this. This is in the shade Medium Beige. It's big. Look at that. So I think I'm gonna have to try to use it now. I have this tan. And then you just open it up and there's like a little poof. And then that's the product in there. So it does have a slight tan. The powder that I'm using right now to set my foundation with this tan is the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, which I really like too. But like I said, like I rarely buy high-end stuff, so I just wanted to give this a try. You do get 16 grams. This says it's an invisible loose powder, as weightless and beneficial as a breath of fresh air for an even mattified and enhanced complexion with a sheer finish. Its breakthrough texture lets the skin breathe for a continual natural glow. Next, I have this Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. I actually have a dupe for this from Shop Hush, so I kind of want to test them both out. This is in the shade Pink Sands edition. Oh, so you do get like a little card with her face on it. I actually might keep that. And then you have Some directions up here. It says prep, apply Capri as a base to smooth skin and amplify light reflecting pearls. 2, set, dab Santorini from cheek to temple to set and bring out the pop. And then number 3 says sculpt, apply, how do you say that, Azores, under the cheekbones to add dimension and shape. And then 4 is flush, swipe Ibiza on the apples of your cheeks for a healthy glow. So these are the shades right here. So I guess this first one's a cream. So here are some swatches. So they're super like metallic. And here are these. I don't know, but just my first impressions, I feel like I might actually like the Shop Hush dupe more. But I do like how she has kind of like a how-to at the top. I think that's really helpful. Next, I have a few lip products from the Pure Times Barbie collab. Oh my god. When I saw this on Trend Mood, I almost pooped myself. The packaging is so gorgeous. I only got one of the lipsticks because I just wanted to see the formula. This one is in the shade Classic, and it just says Iconic Lips Signature Semi-Matte Lipstick. This packaging. I can't. Look at this. Oh. This by far is my favorite lipstick packaging I think I've ever seen in my entire life. So I think you just push it up, right? Okay, so right here there's a button that you just push and it pops out of the bottom, and then that's your lipstick. And then look at this lipstick. There's like glitter on it. I don't know if it's gonna show up though in my hand. Okay, I don't know how they did that, unless it's just like a glitter overspray. That might be it. But this is the shade right there. This was the most like wearable shade that I saw out of like all the lipstick shades I thought I would use the most. This is definitely like an everyday shade for me. And then I got the Pure Times Barbie Girl Gloss Signature High Shine Lip Gloss. This says nothing can hold you back, so aim to shine with the signature high shine lip gloss that was created in celebration of the 60-year anniversary of Barbie. This hydrating gloss tops lips with irresistible shine and gorgeous pigment, leaving behind a prismatic effect that gives you the look of visibly fuller hydrated lips. This is the packaging. Kind of reminds me of like Fenty Gloss Bomb packaging. It looks like it's like a gold with, looks like a clear with gold and pink and all kinds of like little specks. Oh, this dofa is huge. Okay, this reminds me of the Fenty Gloss Bombs and the Kylie like glosses. Ooh, it does feel really creamy though. It doesn't look like you get a lot of product though. So that's this. I know, swatching glosses on camera is like ridiculous because you can't really see it. And the next few things came from the Boxy Charm Room. I've had Boxy Charm for 2 or 3 years now. And I don't know if I just never paid attention, but I had no idea that there was a charm room where you could get makeup for like 1/4 of the price. And they had some things from Iconic London that I've always wanted to try, but I just didn't want to pay for like full price for them. So the first thing that I got, I think it was like 12 bucks. And I think originally it's like full price is 65. So this is from Iconic London, and this is the Sunset to Sunrise eyeshadow palette. So it's pretty big. You can see it's like the size of my face. So the palette itself is like kind of flimsy. There is a mirror, and then these are the shades right here. I always see this on their Instagram and I really wanted to try it. I cannot believe I got it for $12. Like, that is crazy to me. So I just want to touch a few. Okay, so far the metallic shades are amazing. Let's do the mattes. Ooh, the mattes feel really buttery. Here are some finger swatches. I think this is going to be really fun to play with. And then I also see this all the time on their Instagram. I think this was $50 and I got it for $12. This is the Iconic London Loose Pigment Palette. It says Loose Pigment Palette original for use on eyes and face. The possibilities are endless with our super saturated loose pigment palette. Wears an intense eyeshadow or as a sheer highlight to accentuate the high points that naturally catch the light. This is the packaging, and then you have all the shade names on the back. So this is what the inside of the palette looks like. I think you just flip them up, and then there's another little thing to flip up. I feel like this is really messy. Okay, that's what it looks like. I don't know if I'm gonna open all of them because they're just loose pigments and that is gonna get everywhere. But that's one shade right there. So they're all like metallic. I'll insert a picture of the palette from their Instagram so you can see. I just don't want to get this like all over the place. But how handy is this to have like a palette with pigments? Like, this is genius. Then the last thing from this haul I'm pretty excited about. This is the Carli Bybel El MAKIAGE collab. I got one lip set and then one separate lipstick. If I could go back, I wish I would have just got the lipstick in the same lip set, but I don't know what I was thinking. So this packaging is gorgeous, by the way. This is the Cosmic Lip Collection, and this is Dirty Talk Lip Service and the Waterproof Lip Liner in Luna. So Libra, StarChild, and Luna. You just slide it open, and here are the 3 products. So this is the packaging of the lipstick. Again, this is in the shade Libra. And like, I'm sure you guys have already seen it all over social media, but there's like a little star astrology map thing on the lipstick. Ooh, that's like a super nude shade. I think this is the shade that she wears all the time that I've seen. And then this is the lip liner. The packaging on all these looks really nice. This is in the shade Luna, and it's a brown. I think these are going to complement each other like really well. And then the last thing is the gloss, and the packaging of the gloss feels really heavy and like expensive. Like, this is probably by far the most pretty. I think this is my favorite lip gloss packaging of everything, just like that Barbie lipstick. This is in the shade StarChild. It is a flat doe foot. Ooh, the gloss feels really nice. That's all 3. And then I just bought this shade Sirius lipstick by itself. I wish I would have just bought this in a lip set too, but whatever. So this looks like an everyday color for me. That's that shade right there. So it's just like a dark mauve shade, which is like my favorite lip color ever. So like a Kylie shade. So that's everything from this makeup haul. As always, let me know if you guys have tried any of these products in the comments below and what you think. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this makeup haul, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.